Our Computex 2019 coverage is made possible thanks to Corsair, Patriot, EK, Typtra and Viper Gaming. Hey everyone, Andy Raffel from eTeknix.com. We're here at Computex 2019 checking out what Antec have to offer. And the thing that really caught my eye is this. So this is their new memory. As we've seen before, Antec have actually brought memory to market before, but this one just goes that little bit further. I guess you could call it the kind of premium line of memory. Straight away from the first looks, you will see that it does look very premium. At the moment, it's only actually going to come in one SKU, which is going to be basically a 16GB kit comprising of two 8GB modules, so we've got our dual channel. Obviously, if you do want more, you can just buy another kit and have 4 modules like they've got on show. Speed-wise, we're looking at it's DDR4 3600, timings 18, 20, 20, 44, operating at 1.35 volts. Now, the thing that's kind of the main kind of, I guess, selling point of this is the way that the RGB works on it. So it is fully addressable RGB, and as you can see along the top, it looks very reminiscent of what we'd expect in terms of a light bar. But when you actually look closer at the memory, it's completely different. It doesn't actually look like a light bar at all. Obviously the name is called Katana and it does kind of have this silver, I guess, effect. It looks a bit like a katana sword. But what actually happens is the RGB LEDs actually kind of glow through it. So when they're not on, it just looks very premium with that kind of silver finish. But when the addressable RGB LEDs are on, you can see exactly how it can look. And I mean, so many people have kind of been impressed with this that you can see it has won the IF Design Award 2019. So no kind of word on pricing at the moment. Obviously we are expecting it to be, I guess, a little bit more expensive because of the nature of the product and how kind of premium it's going to be. We're told that it should be coming in some really nice packaging as well, and I guess it's going to compete with the high-end sort of memory on the market from the likes of G-Skill, Clev and some of the other kind of more premium brands, even Corsair with their Dominator RGB Platinum. So really excited to see this sort of come to market, hoping around maybe Q3 that we're going to actually see it. Hopefully it's aggressively priced. We know in terms of sort of history and past kind of pricing with Antec, they do like to sort of get really aggressive on the pricing. So really excited to see when this comes to market. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. We will have a lot more coverage from Computex 2019 from Antec as well as many other brands while we're here in Taipei, Taiwan. See you later guys. Bye bye.